Hi friends, in this video let us do the unboxing and have a first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is the Indian retail unit which I bought from Samsung Opera House through pre-order. Let us open the box. Here is the SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, warranty card and regional lock guide. Here is the device itself. This is the new color, that is Mystic Bronze. It is also available in Mystic Black variant. Let me keep it aside for now. Let us see what else we get in the box. We get this 25-watt fast charger. Then we have USB-C to USB-C cable and AKG branded earphone. That's what we get in the box. There is no case bundled with this phone. Let me keep all this aside and have a closer look into the handset itself. First, let me give you the physical overview. The SIM card tray is here. It is a hybrid slot. You can use two physical SIM cards or one physical SIM with micro SD card and an eSIM. This is for noise cancellation. On the right side we have volume keys and side key. In the bottom we get main microphone, USB-C port and a speaker. This is for S Pen. In the back, it has a triple camera setup. The main camera is 108 megapixel. The second one is 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor and the third one is 12 megapixel 5x zoom sensor. It also has laser autofocus. Now let me power on the device and do the setup. The setup is completed. First, let me show you the available storage out of the box. Coming to S Pen, now it has 9 millisecond latency. So there is no delay. The regular features are there along with new gestures. Coming to display, it has a Quad HD display panel and has 120Hz refresh rate. By default, the refresh rate is selected as adaptive, which means the refresh rate will go up to 120Hz. However, if you want to use Quad HD, you need to select the standard 60Hz refresh rate. That's it for this video on unboxing and quick overview of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra Indian retail unit. If you have any questions regarding this phone, please write in the comment section below.